Hello and thanks for watching Gary Teaches Maths. I'm going to continue going through the Edexcel paper from 2018. This is the higher tier paper 1 non-calculator. So I'm looking at question 3 now. And this one is saying someone buys 5 kilograms of sweets to sell and pays £10 for the sweets. We've got to work out whether or not she makes a profit. So it says here that she's put all the sweets into bags and she puts 250 grams of sweets into each bag and she's going to sell each bag of sweets for 65 pence. So this is actually a question regarding units, because we can see that this initially is measured in kilograms and she's putting into 250 gram bags of sweets. So what we need to know is that 1 kilogram is actually equal to 1,000 grams. It's very important to work in the same units all the way through this question. So what I'm going to say is that actually she's got 5,000 grams. That 5 kilograms is going to be the same as what 5,000 grams. So then we can work out, well, if she's putting in each into 250 grams bags of sweets, how many bags of sweets is that? That's our next thing to work out. So how many bags of sweets? So we can work that out by simply dividing the 5,000 by the 250. So 5,000 divided by 250, so the weight of one bag. And we can see that there's 4 250s in 1,000, and so because we've got 5,000, that's going to be 20 bags that we would get. Since she's selling each bag for 65 pence, we need to work out the total amount of money that she's going to make. So we would do, so the total income is going to be 20 times 65 pence, working in pence. So we can say, well, and this is a non-calculator paper, we have to realise, so we can't just use this on a calculator. We've got to first of all say, well, what would 2 times 65 be? That would be 130. And so what would 20 times that be? That would add an extra 0 and that would become 1,300 in pence, or in pounds that would be £13. And again, we've got to realise that we've got to work in consistent units all the way through. So we start off with paying out £10 for the sweets to begin with, and so if that's our income, then our profit is going to be the difference between our income and the amount we paid initially. So our profit is going to be 13 minus the 10. So our profit is going to be £3. And finally, we're being asked to work out what the percentage profit is. So the percentage profit, so percent profit, is actually the profit over the original amount, in other words what she paid in the first place, times by 100. So that would be 3 out of 10, £10 being the original amount, times 100, which works out to be, if we can just cancel that 10 there with the 100, 3 times 10, which is 30%. There we go, and that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. I'll be continuing to go through the questions on this paper, so you can get those either from watching Gary Teaches Maths or also looking at our website, which is www.basics bestmathstutors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.